How to sign out of Pocket Option application. Hi everyone. If you are looking for a way to log out of the Pocket Option trading app on whichever device you are using, it can be a smartphone or a tablet or even iPad, here's how you can quickly sign out. Firstly, open up the Pocket Option application and make sure you're inside this page. Now once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. In the expanded menu, you will see a logout button at the very bottom. Just click on that. But before logging out, make sure that you remember your login credentials so that you can get back to your account later on. If you're using a public or a shared device, it is a great practice to log out of your account so that your account can be secure. Click the logout button and you'll be able to get back to the sign-in area, which means you have successfully logged out of your Pocket Option account. Now you can log back in anytime with your credentials or switch to another account easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.